Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Drama TV I should call it here on this episode, because that's what this is probably going to be. You know, we try to ignore some of these phone calls for private property removal. This guy's called me multiple times, and he keeps saying that somebody keeps parking on his property and he's got guests checking in, and I guarantee I'll get up here and it'll be somebody working construction or something next door, and they're probably going to come running out, and it's just a loss of travel up here.
Turn left onto Honeysuckle Lane, then turn right onto Mountain View Drive.
Unless we can get it hooked up and get a drop fee out of the situation. But it's always crazy like this. You hate to not go because the customer's calling and saying, you gotta go, you gotta go. But at the same time, you just know somebody's gonna come zoom out. So I'll try to get ready.
Your destination is on the right.
She's hooked. We'll see if anybody's gonna come zooming out. They might be on lunch break, I don't know. But I guarantee you they're probably working on this cabin and parking in this guy's property. We got some dings, some scratches. Looks like it's been towed, been pulled out of something. I don't see a whole lot of other things, but we'll see if we can get some straps on it and maybe somebody will come running out. Just want to show that it is on dollies because it is a capable transit van, I guess. Don't see many all-wheel drives, but that's what we got. Now we're going to navigate this mountain road with some dollies and a giant transit van. And when you want to know why it's so expensive, this is what it takes to get an illegally parked transit van off of the mountain. Several switchbacks, ditches and ravines on both sides. Four-wheel drive sometimes because the roads are slick because of the rain. Hills are so steep. Let me show you guys what the GPS looks like. Here's what I'm up against right here. I got two huge hairpin turns and ravines on both sides. So wish me luck. I'm going to navigate this thing off of the mountain and get it over to the impound lot, as I'm sure these people were probably on lunch break and they're going to come back and their work van's going to be gone. But like I said, guys, this customer has called me several times, and he's got guests checking in here around the 1 o'clock hour, and they wouldn't have had a place to park. There was two that he called me for, so that's why I'm guessing that they're gone and on lunch or something, because there was a work truck and this work van, both, so that was taking up his entire driveway. Everything auto?
Yes, sir. Where can I come get my van?
Well, I'm guessing you're the white van, the white shop van?
Yeah, white problem. Yeah, my guys went to lunch and the excavation guys moved it, and then somebody called and had it towed.
Yeah, that property owner's called us for the removal. It's 221 Newman Road in Gatlinburg.
Okay, what do I owe?
It's to the registered owner.
What do I have to? Just my license?
Yeah, as long as your ID matches the registration of the vehicle, we can release it back to that registered owner.
Okay, I don't know if I think it's under mine and my wife's. Does that matter? Or?
No, that's fine. As long as your name's on the registration and
Do you have the van with you now? I mean, can you just, I can know whether to send my wife or me is what I'm trying to figure out. The registration's in the glove box.
It's back at our impound lot now.
Oh, okay.
But,
all right, I'll figure it out.
yeah, man, I'm sorry. Yeah, it has to be cashed to that registered owner, and then just if you're heading this way, if you could give me kind of a 30-minute heads up, so I make sure you're not waiting on me at the gate.
Okay, I'll give you a 30 minutes heads up.
Okay, thank you, man.
All right, thanks, bye.
Well, that's not near as dramatic as I thought it would be, I guess. Obviously, they knew it wasn't supposed to be there. Hey, man.
Come on, brother.
I guess you're after the van?
Yeah. Let's see what mine. I'll give you mine. I think it's in mine and my wife's name.
Okay. Yeah, just making sure I'm giving the van back to the right person. They've called me 2 more times. Do you guys have a truck up there too? A white Dodge?
No, that's going to be Venture's truck.
Okay.
I'll make sure nothing's in
Man,
there.
yeah, they've been wearing me out. I bet they've called me several
and, you know,
times.
and we're very considerate about. My nephew's got everything tore up in the front, so there's no parking whatsoever.
Yeah.
Worst part about it is that my wife's dad died about 4 months ago.
Yeah.
And she didn't make any of my truck payments, any of my van payments. One night, when the guy that drives that said, they came to get my truck. They repoed the motherfucker. So then I'm like, I know I'm up on all my payments because I just, you know, it cost me $3,500 to get it back. Plus, I just paid like 3 payments in advance just to keep it from,
just to keep it going that way. Yeah.
And, but yeah, it's like, but I'll make sure everything's moved up there.
I think the keys were in it. Let me see if we can get that stuff. And no, no, it was on our medium duty with dollies and all kinds. It was bad, man. Towing down from that, it's rather steep.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Jeff.
Nice to meet you, man. I'm sorry we had to meet this way.
Man. I thought the was stolen, so I called 911, and they redirected me to the sheriff's department.
Yeah.
And they said, yeah, they just called.
Yeah, they make us call. They get really mad if they got to do a report and they don't have to, so we have to report everything that we.
I got you.
But yeah, be safe, man. Thank you. Woo, what a windy day, guys. It is ripping. It's like got some flashing on the roof of the building trying to come loose. Well, nice fella. It sucks, the circumstances, but yeah, they've called me again since we've been eating dinner. Called me again to remove some more stuff. They've got guests checking in here in just a few hours, and they still had stuff blocking, so it's kind of crazy. But yeah, we appreciate when people are nice. You know, it's very nice. Anyway, we're gonna hopefully stay upright in this wind. It's not probably a good day to fly a kite. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We're heading down here. We had some really high.
Turn right, then turn left.
Let's see if I can get that stuff out of our ear. We had some really high winds yesterday. Well, we've had them for the last 3 or 4 days, but the campground called us and said that the winds pushed their trailer through a steel fence and into the swimming pool. So we're gonna see if we can get it picked up in some, I don't know what I'm into here. So we're gonna get down here and look at it and then hopefully get it picked up out of the pool. Hopefully it's not all the way in the pool because I am not down to swim today. It is about 32 degrees and hooking up cables in the swimming pool is not on my agenda for the Saturday morning, but let's get down here and see what we're into. Everything auto?
Yes, how you doing, brother?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yes, please. Yesterday they towed my car, black SUV Lexus.
No, sir. It wasn't us.
Oh, it's not you?
No, sir.
So how can I find who's towing my car?
Probably call the police station. They would have record of who took it.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the way through that and into.
Come through there.
Wow.
They were sitting right here. That tongue tore that up off the asphalt. It didn't make it to the pool.
God.
Come through here
hit that, ramped up, and went in. The axle bent or broke on that one over yonder.
Oh my lordy. That's crazy.
Hey, I'd have never thought I'd seen you yesterday when you'd be up here helping us today.
Yeah, man. We
I stopped by there yesterday.
yeah,
talked to you at the fence.
you're checking out the.
Yeah.
Man, there's been some crazy, you know, and in a wire trailer, how much wind could come through here to move a wire trailer through a.
That one's mine, and this one and that one has been sitting there, and it has the other storms has pushed it out and pushed it back. We got this trailer here. The windstorm pushed it off the blocks. Is how this.
Really?
Yeah, you see all the damage there.
Oh yeah, I see you.
The one next to it is off the pad. I got to figure out how to jack it up and get a propane bottle underneath there out of it. 2 more ups off the pad.
Wow.
We tell them to strap them down.
Yeah.
And we have a hard time with that, but.
Oh, I know. dude.
Or not go
She was getting dressed.
Okay.
Yeah, she. I just called and told her you was coming by to get her.
All right, I'll go back up here in a second.
Well,
What do you
see if
think?
we can back up here to it, and if I can get
this
some.
other trailer out of your way.
No, I think it'll be fine.
Ain't that the fella you talked to yesterday?
It is.
Yeah, we
needed you about an hour later.
About an hour later.
I was like, what are you doing?
That's crazy. Well, I'm glad everything is mostly on its wheels.
Well, it's scary in here yesterday.
Hey, we got trees down all over. We got our trailer back in there. You see the trees?
Oh man, heck yeah, I see that.
It was pretty bad there for a while.
Woo! Ah, she got all kinds of stuff in there.
Good. That ain't too bad, is it? I don't know.
Get some of this stuff unhooked and Okay guys, we got the trailer out of there. I come over here to help just a little bit more. We've got a bunch of RVs and campers that have blown off their pads, and the importance, I guess, of strapping things down. I was just talking to the HOA president back there, and we appreciate him. He comes by and checks on me, and just super awesome people, man, super awesome. But he said he'd been on a couple of people to make sure that their stuff was strapped down to the pad, and had a couple of people give him some resistance. I don't need why do you need to strap anything down? Well, he ought to be glad today that he got that done before, just a few days beforehand, because there's multiple campers in here that have slid off and almost blown over, and just a crazy thing. Some of that stuff you don't think about the importance of, but I promise you, if one of those had blown over, it'd be like a stack of playing cards, I would guess. It would just hit somebody else's and then somebody else's, and then before you know it, you got this huge insurance mess of you know, they're responsible for your camper because they didn't tie it down and it hit my camper. I can't even imagine what you'd get into on something like that. But yeah guys, we might be back over here to shift a few more around. Who knows? We've had multiple trees down, power outages, just the straight line winds were insane, upwards of 80 mile an hour, and goodness, lots of cleanup to do. So stick around, stay tuned.
Can't park there.
Nope.
Nope, that's one right here to get this vehicle. So we can back up. You guys can back up and let him do it.
So you're gonna.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll make sure they get that. They're never happy.
Ramblers to the Parkway. What's your ETA? Hey, they're at the school. Can we hold for just a second?
Yeah.
Up right there.
Hey, Jeff. Hey, stop. Stop for 1 second. Can he get past through there?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna pause and let them come through. There we go. Okay, so there's some damage right here on that. I don't know. Anyway. Scratches there. Scratch there, scratch there, scratch there. Anyway, they're in the hash area of this parking lot. Anakeesta says no, you can't do that. Don't blame them. Come on back. Go down. There you go. So this is going to be interesting because we've got this curb over here. Okay, it's rolling. Hold on. Let me look at this curb over here. Okay. Keep going. Hold on. Hold on. You're gonna... All right. We'll pull it over the curb. It was small anyway. Okay. Now, they're gonna try to park in that spot, but that is not a spot. See, bam, it's a narrow, too narrow to be a spot. All right, we'll get this loaded up. Thanks, sir.
When you get a chance, can we get business cards?
Yes, let me get those for, yeah.
We don't have any. I mean, just when you're...
I'll get them right now.
Everything auto?
Yes, my car just got towed from y'all.
What kind of car you got?
A 2016 Hyundai Sonata. I mean, Hyundai Santa Fe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how do I get my car back?
It's 221 Newman Road is the impound location.
And how am I supposed to get there?
Well, that's kind of up to you on that one.
Do y'all have cab services here?
We've got cabs, Ubers, lifts. The trolley will bring you down.
We have to take a trolley, Uber, or Lyft down there. What's the address? Right, yeah, get this address down. 221 Newman Road. And how much do I have to pay to get my car?
It's cash to the registered owner.
Cash. I have it. All right.
How'd I know I was going to get hung up on? I could almost feel it. The registered owner?
I'm positive.
Thank y'all so much.
The Hyundai Santa Fe.
Okay, you're the registered owner? Okay, as long as ID matches that registration. They make me match, make sure I'm not giving your Hyundai back to somebody you don't want me to.
I just gotta find my ID now. Wait, I got it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, if you've got keys, I'll bring it up here to you.
Yeah.
What if I don't have the keys?
No, we don't play.
Whew,
Pop it open.
scared me.
Your car's the only car back there. Shut up, Maya.
That's crazy. We got quite a few calls for there. All right, dear. They told me to give that to you too. I don't know, but there's the total for the.
Where do I bill at?
It's cash for the.
Okay. So what is they tell you cash in the call? Stuff.